Hi, welcome to Classroomscreen. In today's video guide, we're going to get to know the Randomizer widget. The Randomizer is a great widget to use if we want to call on a student without playing favorites and ensure everybody gets a turn. Here in the widget bar, we can locate and activate the Randomizer. Now we're prompted to select a name list in the settings, so let's click on that to get started. There are a few options available when using a name list. For example, we can select a prepared list in the Choose from My List section, type in names on the fly in the Create a Local List section, or click on Suggestions to generate some different categories. It's good to mention that with a basic account, 3 name lists can be saved, and with a pro account, up to 100 can be saved. First, let's start with a small local list. This is great for quick startups when you don't have an account. After inserting a few names, we'll just click Continue to customize the output. Here in the settings, it's possible to toggle off sound, animation, and whether names chosen will be remembered or not. Now, all we have to do is click the Shuffle button here to see who gets picked first. After an activity is completed, we can also click the name to hide it for the remainder of the lesson. Next, we can check out what it looks like to choose from a prepared list. These lists can be created with a free basic account and reused. We're able to see all the names that have been put in advance, so it's easy to untick them and account for absences, or also clear them and select them all again. If we do another few selections, then go back to the settings, it's also simple to clear the list of remembered students in case we need to start from scratch. So, though there are a few ways to use the randomizer, no matter which type of list we pick, it's very easy to use and quite handy in supporting lesson management. Thanks for learning about the randomizer widget. We hope to see you next time.